jẹ́ kó dàbí ọkùnrin ó flat látẹ̀yìn débi ìdí ni ló ṣe máa ń lo fake ìdí so oyè tá máa fún níbi ìyẹn ni pé lack of fashion lack of.
bí àṣà yín ìdíyẹ̀wò ẹ máa ní fashion sense ẹ.
ṣé o lè wọṣọ tó ń wọ ìyàwó ẹ lè wọṣọ tó ń wọ ṣá mọ̀ sọ lọ.
màá tún ẹyin náà lẹ sọ pé ìyẹ̀wò olóyè tó ń wọ kaftan nínú winter.
because kò lówó tó máa fi ra English pẹ́ẹ́nìsì ní ó dẹ̀mọ̀ pé tó máa ti wọ English wọn á mọ ibi tó ti rà á ní tá máa sọ yẹn pé ní tá máa pè níbẹ̀ yẹn ni pé poor church rat poor church rat.
olóyè wípé bàbá Anjọ́lá wà nílé bọ̀tọ̀ ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ délé triple fún ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tó mú nínú.
ó sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ni ó ní àwọn ọmọ tó ń kólẹ̀ ní bàbá Anjọ́lá ń bẹ ní London yìí tá máa sọ fún yẹn under mental illness ni grandeur delusion mental grandeur.
olóyè wípé west abọ́ọ̀dì ìwọ tó ń gbélé council ní Island ìwọ tó ń ṣe gbá tó ń ṣàwò ṣùgbọ́n ilé tó rí ilé mìrẹ́ǹtì ló gbé tó yẹ gbọ́dọ̀ fi kọ́ ẹ̀rọ ẹ̀ síta oyè kan náà.
tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé ojú bàbá fẹ́ bímọ láyè ká máa tọrọ ojú tó normal ojú tó rí rán gàngàn yẹn ẹ̀kọ́ rògbò lájú ni ó wà blinded so blinded eyes.
olóyè ẹni tó ń bá kílèmù bọ̀ tí ni mí láti kékeré ní pé my dad always take us to VI to amusement park to beach all this that oh my dad is rich but ṣùgbọ́n nígbà tá a dẹ̀ wá rí gbèsè.
lack of self-esteem esteem kéèyàn máa claim tí ó yẹ esteem tó ṣe ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ lè máa kọ́lé tó sọ pé àwọn ń lọ ìlú èbò kékeré.
oyè kan náà ni wípé Celine ìyá mi ni she is my sister for life Aosha she is my sister for life àwọn eléyìí tí wọ́n dúró tì mí wọ́n ṣe.
nítorí pé nígbà tó ń bá Helen ṣe ọ̀rẹ́ ó ń rí bàtà yá ní ọwọ́ rẹ̀ so a máa sọ wípé bọ̀rọ̀bọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀dà bọ̀rọ̀bọ̀rọ̀ mo ti kọ̀ yẹn náà lẹ̀.
oyè kan náà ni wípé ó rí pé ẹnìkan oyè kan náà ni wípé ó rí pé cancer patient kan máa ń bí kan but ẹni kan tẹ̀sán lọ bá wọn wípé èmi làbí kẹ́ folding hand foundation mo lè bá yín raise owó tó dẹ̀ bọ́ sórí ọ̀la ẹ̀ pé everybody please help donate money for the cancer patient ọ̀dẹ̀ dá owó yẹn ṣùgbọ́n kò kówó yẹn fún cancer patient yẹn owó tí ó.
orúkọ tá a máa fún yẹn scamati oníjìbìtì.
Hello guys, good evening. Mo kí wa ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ o. Wherever you are, ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́. As you all know that I don't normally come out anymore during the week because of my job. I will be leaving the house in about 25 minutes time. Inú mi dùn. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ mi pàtàkì èèyàn yìí tí ó bóyín mọ̀ dáadáa. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi tí ó ti fìgbà kan jẹ́ àna fún Esther Tókunbọ̀ Abọ́dẹrìn. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi tí ó ti fìgbà kan tó ti fi jẹ́ àna fún Tókunbọ̀ Esther Abọ́dẹrìn. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi pàtàkì tó ti fìgbà kan jẹ́ ex fún ọmọ Esther Tókunbọ̀ Abọ́dẹrìn. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi pàtàkì tó ti fi ìgbà kan jẹ́ ọkọ to be husband to be fún ọmọ Esther Tókunbọ̀ Abọ́dẹrìn. Ọmọ ẹ̀ tí gbogbo wa mọ̀ bí ẹ mọ owó náà ni ìyẹn Tina Ògúnbánwò. It took my friend a very long time, a lot of deliberation, despite the fact that some very important and very classified files was given to us some time ago, but he never asked me to play it or to talk about it. He said he was waiting for some things to happen. You know, he gave me some voice notes and also some bank statements. And to crown it all, he gave me a lot of pictures. When I mean a lot of pictures, a lot of pictures was given to me by my friend, Mr. Franco. And inú mi dùn. Mo kàn rí wọ́n kàn pè mí, ọ̀rẹ́ mi pè mí, ọ̀rẹ́ mi pàtàkì pè mí pé bá a là kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀, mo ní ọ̀gá ó tó jọ́ mẹ́ta. Ó wá béèrè pé do I still have those files that she gave me some time ago. Mo sọ fáwọn èèyàn kan nígbà tí mo lọ rí ọ̀rẹ́ mi nígbà yẹn. I told about I think 2 or 3 people nígbà tí mo lọ gba àwọn kinní yẹn. And I decided not to play them. Even though mo ní ó send àwọn voice note bí méjì ní ṣá, bí méjì tí Panda àti Pàdánù ní Azeez Hussaini náà. Mo ní yẹn lọ́wọ́ mi báyìí. But ìyẹn àbọ̀ abá ni. So therefore due to nature of my job now, ó wù mí láti wá ṣe show yẹn lénìí, ìyẹn nírọ̀lẹ́ yìí. But mi ò ní lè ṣe. Màá bí agbára Ọlọ́run tó bá di ọ̀la Thursday, ká wo bí ojú ọjọ́ ṣe máa rí, k'Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kí ojú ọjọ́ kó dára. Wọ́n ti fún mi ní go ahead now pé kí n sọ̀rọ̀ nípa gbogbo ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin àwọn àti Esther Aboderin àti Tina Ogunbanwo, ìyẹn àkọ́bí Esther Tokunbo Aboderin tó gbóyàn mọ̀ sí Esabod. Gbogbo bí wọ́n ṣe gba owó, gbogbo transaction, bí wọ́n ṣe travel tán lọ holiday, gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n kó dání lọ, gbogbo trip tí wọ́n wá sí London láti wá dókò nǹkan kan, wọ́n ṣe lọ sí hotel at one point, wọ́n ṣe lọ sí restaurant, wọ́n ṣe lọ sí club at one point. Gbogbo kìíní yẹn ni wọ́n ti kó fún mi gbà yẹn. So but now he asked me to nǹkan tí ọ̀rẹ́ mi sọ ni pé look, I don't care anymore. That's you know him now. He always use that word, I don't care anymore. So now he just said to me, look, I don't care anymore now. You can go ahead and treat it. Dorcas, how are you, my darling sister? God bless you. So màá play àwọn voice notes Esther Aboderin Tokunbo bí ó ṣe ń gba owó lọ́wọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ mi, bí òun ṣe ń gbà, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ọmọ ẹ̀ Tina ṣe ń gbà. And to my surprise, alàgbà yìí tún fún Wálé ní owó, torí wọ́n send àwọn kíní bank statements. Torí èmi ò máa ń like ṣe nǹkan tèmi pẹ̀lú proof ni. Máa like ṣe nǹkan pẹ̀lú proof ni. Wọ́n send àwọn proof yẹn sí mi. Bí wọ́n ṣe gba owó, what he did is wọ́n highlight ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú kíní Tipex, wọ́n fi highlight ẹ̀ báyìí. Bí wọ́n ṣe gba owó yẹn ṣe ń wọlé, tó wọ́n ṣe ń fún wọn orúkọ tó ń lò, account wọn fowó yẹn sí. Mo ti rí báǹkì tó kọ Oyster ni ULSTER or something like that. Oyster mi mọ̀ bóyá báǹkì ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Mo ṣáà rí Oyster Bank lórí kinní yẹn. So ara àwọn ibi tí wọ́n send owó sí fún wọn nìyẹn. Mo dẹ̀ rí àwọn PayPal kan náà nínú kinní statement yẹn tí mi ò ṣe rí lórí Facebook mi báyìí. I think that PayPal belongs to one of Esabod's children. So gbogbo ẹ̀ ni a máa play mi báyìí bí ògo ti ń jẹ́ ti Ọlọ́run. Tòyẹnyẹn, good evening my darling sister. Bí ògo ti ń jẹ́ ti Ọlọ́run, a máa play mi báyìí. Torí it is high time now to talk about Esther àti ọmọ ẹ̀ bí wọ́n ṣe ń ba yí àwọn ọkùnrin jẹ́ tí ó ń lo àwọn ọkùnrin láti ó ń lo tó she was using her daughter ìyẹn Tina láti máa dupe àwọn ọkùnrin and owó tí wọ́n gbà lọ́wọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ mi yìí in a very short period of time tí ọ̀rẹ́ mi fi date Tina Ogunbanwo ọmọ Tòkunbọ̀ Esther Aboderin mi ò fẹ́ exaggerate ẹ̀ because mi ò tí check how much mi ò calculate I won't lie to you but bí mo ṣe ń wò I can see a lot of big amount of money that's one this is 420 pounds 420 euro. Peter, get this box yourself, please. I don't want to be here for too long. That is too loud. I can see 420 euro here. This is 2000 and okay. Actually, alagba fún wọn lówó gan ní beginning of this year. I'm talking about in February as well. Ó fún lówó ní February. Okay, booking of flight. I don't know me o ton lọ mi báyìí but I can see booking of flight nínú statement wọ́n send sí mi yìí and the booking of flight and then wọ́n send àwọn text messages kan náà sí mi náà tí wọ́n fi ń confirm àwọn owó tí wọ́n fún wọn yẹn bó ṣe ń gbà and the response of the girl and the response of Esther Aboderin as well. I can see booking of ticket. Kí ló dé ọ̀rẹ́ mi gan tún book ticket fún mọ̀mọ́ wá sí lọ́wọ́ náà ṣá. My friend actually book one of ticket tí mọ̀mọ́ fi wá sí UK mi báyìí he book it for her as well. Jẹ́ kí n wo bọ̀ owó ticket pọ̀ okay ó dàbí kó kó àwọn ọmọ wa ń gbà yẹn yes ó kó àwọn ọmọ wa sí London pẹ̀lú ẹwà tó wá bá ọ̀rẹ́ mi ní ilé ẹ̀ ní Greece níbí báyìí so I think that is why tí owó yẹn pọ̀ báyìí because wọ́n náà pé from Dublin to UK níbí báyìí it's only 50-60 pounds on that ticket now okay so wọ́n ra ticket fáwọn ọmọ mẹ́ta nígbà tí wọ́n wá síbí and it's actually twice I can see twice here then wọ́n dẹ̀ travel mo rí another ticket again ìyẹn ìgbà tó ń lọ sí they went to maybe Spain or something like that I saw that one here as well. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi tún ra ọjà lọ́wọ́ Esther ìyẹn náà hàn nínú kíní statement wọn báyìí he bought some stuff from Esther ìyẹn náà hàn nínú statement yìí but àwọn owó tí ó pọ̀ jù tí mo rí mi báyìí it's got nothing to do with owó ọjà at all it look like scamming someone ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ibi báyìí we deal with scammers any scammers of any type that is what we deal with on this our social media page mi báyìí Tókunbọ̀ ó lè ní ẹ o ó lè gidigidi ní ẹ o kí ló dé alábàjọ tó fi máa ń bú máa yẹn máa yẹ dáwó nù gan o ó dáwó nù gan o mo ń stroll lórí kíní yẹn ni o kí ló dé no this is too much tí n bá fẹ́ ṣe show yẹn I will do it video it will be a video show video chat so that bí n bá ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ I will be showing you guys my evidence I will be backing it up with text messages with a VN and some pictures as well no mama yìí ayé start ìbàjẹ́ gidi gan o kí ló dé wàá dẹ̀ máa bú ọ̀bọ̀ yìí pé ògbówó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ evidence ní now Dorcas evidence ní now ògbówó gan lọ́wọ́ máa yìí o kí ló dé ó dá mi ò mọ báwo lọkùnrin ṣe máa dáwó nù báyìí fún torí ọmọ dáadáa tó yẹ pé ayé ẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́ ní Dublin mẹ́yẹn tó ti jẹ́ pé tajá tẹyan ló ń bá sùn ajá àtẹnugbọn náà ń bọ́ ọmọdé yẹn sùn lè wá náwó tó pààyà lórí ẹ̀ kò tẹ́rọ̀ gèsì náà bó ẹ̀ náà ó ti pẹ́ tí Esther ti ń fi àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ jẹun o alábàjọ náà tí ò jẹ́ káwọn ọmọ yẹn kan ṣoríire tó fi dè wọ́n mọ́lẹ̀ mọ́nú lémẹ̀ tó jẹ́ kí wọ́n jáde lọ ṣoríire nílé ayé. She has been using them to scam people for a very long time. Ìgbà tó sọ pé ó máa ń ti àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ mọ́ ọkùnrin lọ́rùn ní mi ò I don't believe it. Mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ rí reason nísìnyí báyìí o ní tó gbà lọ́wọ́ máa ń pọ̀ o eléyìí pọ̀ o ṣé oògùn ló fi ń gbowó lọ́wọ́ alàgbà yìí nìkẹ́ honestly kò ṣẹ́rí kínní yìí ìgbà tó ti sẹ̀ǹdẹ̀ sí mi òun rí lè ìgbà tó máa ń pè mí every time pé ẹsẹ̀ ìtòjú yìí fáwọn pípọ̀ yẹn lè jàre fìyà òṣì yẹn lè nǹkan kan máa nílò let me treat this case let me talk about this thing honestly mi ò tiẹ̀ bọ́dà láti wo àwọn kínní yẹn láti gbà yẹn mi ò ń máa wò pé lò alàgbà lò kọ́ ẹ̀ rà pé ẹ̀ serious honestly bet ohun tí mo ní mi báyìí ó kọjá this is more than what I can look at on my own Ọlọ́run agbọ́dọ̀ mo sọ pé a ní láti ṣiṣẹ́ lórí ẹ̀ sódà káwọn ìbá wa dá sí kọ́ pé wọlé gbàtí má fi gbé ẹ̀hàn yín ẹ máa mọ irú èèyàn tí Esther Aboderin ń jẹ́ ẹ máa mọ irú èèyàn tí Tina tó ń jẹ́ ẹ dẹ̀ máa mọ irú èèyàn tí ìdílé Aboderin tí wọ́n ń ṣe ìwà burúkú lélẹ̀ náà eré ó kọjá àfẹnusọ so but guys seriously I will come out tomorrow láti wá sọ̀rọ̀ pa kínní yìí and it's going to be a video live chat to talk about how Tokunbo and her daughter Tina scam my friend Mr. Frank how she scammed that man how she con him of his hard-earned money. I will come out and talk about it tomorrow by the special grace of God. So guys, stay tuned. Ó máa lẹ́tìkẹ́ gidi gan ni. Because ẹ tó bá because a ti wò pé kì í ká fi obìnrin sílẹ̀. But now that she doesn't want us to have peace, she keep coming back. She keep attacking people. She keep lying on people.
Sọ́ni bí Buhari ṣe wà àti Buhari ikú ń dẹ̀dẹ̀ làwọn méjì lọ́wọ́ tó wà dédé ń dẹkùn wọ́n jọ ń dẹra wọn ni. Wà á rí pé towards the election wọ́n fẹ́ bá
so guys ẹ kú ìfojúsọ́nà o I will see you guys again tomorrow. Have a very wonderful evening. But thank you so much Mr. Frank for giving me the all this evidence and then allow me to go ahead now to talk about it whenever I feel like talking about it. So that's why I came out now to let you guys know that tomorrow we'll be here live and direct to show you all the evidences. And after the show, not lying, I will post everything I have. I will post them on my wall so that àwọn èèyàn lè máa mú tí wọ́n lè máa rí ń bẹ̀ kò ní dàbí kí bóyá à ń purọ́ ni. You will see Isabod's account details there. You will see our daughter's account details there. The account number, everything is there. PayPal account, everything is there. Okay, you will see it. Lele kò kí ń ṣe àràbù olè ayé àtọ̀run ni Esther Aboderin olè paraku gbogbo èèyàn ló mọ̀ gbogbo ayé ló mọ̀ pé olè ni Esther olè paraku kò sí nǹkan míì téèyàn lè fi quantify Esther ju kéèyàn pè ní olè lọ olè aláyébàjẹ́ ni. No, there is no changing of mind o ọ̀la lágbára Ọlọ́run a máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Esther Aboderin bó ṣe destroy alàgbà yẹn. We are doing it tomorrow. Okay, lágbára Ọlọ́run rí sìn ó bó ṣe ń parọ́ látàárọ̀ tó ń parọ́ àwọn èèyàn tó ń sọ òṣì kò sẹ́ tó ń wẹ̀ mọ́. Oh, you are not funny anymore Esther. Ó yẹ kó lọ wábì kan lọ jókòó sí ni. Ó yẹ kó lọ wábì kan jókòó sí ni. You are no more funny.
Saraki ò ní investment in Nigeria now.
You are no more funny. Oh, she struggled to even have 700 people watching her. But there's no changing of mind. There's no changing of plan. I will be here live and direct to talk about it and to treat it and to do the necessary stuff regarding that issue. Ojo ni tiwa. I'm leaving for work now. So guys, take care of yourself and just remain positive. Okay, remain positive. Odumbo. We must remain positive in everything, in whatever we are doing. It is very, very important. So thank you so much, guys, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Susie Rosie, how are you, my darling? My darling, my darling. Yeah, nice one. Nice to see you here. So guys, take care of yourself. Mama really Esther Tokunba Boderi. She is a 419 to the core. Daniel, come and have your food. Do you want big meat? Yeah. I can't hear that. Yeah. Okay, I'll put big meat for you, okay? Now come and take your food. So guys, enjoy the rest of your evening and be good to yourself and to your neighbor. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye. Yeah, put on. No, it's fine. You want to eat as well? Yeah, put it on your table nicely. Bye bye. So thank you guys. Have a lovely evening. Bye bye. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye. Bye bye. Love you. Say love you. Eh?
Yes.
You want a lot?
Yes,
You want a lot, yeah? Ah, okay. And want big meat as well or small meat?
I don't mind.
You don't want meat?
I don't mind for me.
Okay. So I will see you guys again. Is that enough?
Yeah, that's fine.
One more.
Yeah, that's fine then.
Yeah, come and put your food. So guys, take care of yourself, yeah? Tina Ole, Esther Ole, Tokunbo Ole, Tina Ole, Esther Ole, Tokunbo Ole, Tina Ole, Esther Ole, Tokunbo Ole, Tina Ole, Ogunbanwo Ole, Esther Ole, Ọmọ Abọ́dẹrìn Ole, Tina Ole, Tokunbo Ole, Esther Ole. Ẹ lọ sọ́dọ̀ CK Beauty kẹ́ lọ ra cream yín o, ó ṣe pàtàkì, and they are doing sales. They've extend the 50% off sales tí wọ́n ń ṣe. You can still get your 50% off all CQ Beauty products. So go and patronize them, and also go to Yemkem International for all your health issue. If you have any questions, please call me at any time. My number is always open, day in, day night, 24/7. So take care of yourself, guys, and have a very wonderful evening. And I will see you tomorrow for this special edition of show about Esther and her daughter Tina, how they scam an innocent man of his hard-earned money, thousands of pounds. I will see you tomorrow, guys. Have a very wonderful evening. Bye bye. Bye bye. Be careful with that. Yeah, don't space. Space. I don't know if you can pack this one for me.